Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and as most of you guys might know, some of my top online retailers include Take-A-Lot, that's the local one, it includes Amazon, and it includes eBay. And one of the reasons, or three of the reasons that I keep going to these websites to actually purchase stuff from them is number one, obviously, is how intuitive the website is itself and how you can just easily navigate to what you want to or what you're looking for. Number two would be the catalog and how vast or the amount of item or the amount of stuff they actually keep and they actually sell. And second of all would be the actual application itself, the app on the mobile devices, and that would just make it much easier for me to actually be able to buy without having to log onto a computer and as well as how easy it is also to navigate through this application itself and find what you want to buy, what you're looking for. Now, on the week of Black Friday, I became aware that one of my other local favorite local stores, which was Dion Wired, released an app for you to actually be able to buy using your phone and just go straight to the application and buy. I was really happy when I saw that was happening, and I directly went and downloaded the app for me to actually try it out, because I like the convenience of being able to just open an app with everything already there saved, like your personal information. You open an app, click on the item and just download it straight. So to my surprise, when I actually downloaded the application, it really wasn't what I was expecting at all. Now, most of these applications, if I can actually just show you to you guys, have an interface that is, let me not say the same, but it's really easy for you to navigate and actually find the items you are looking for. For example, if I go to my Amazon, as you guys can see, the interface is really straightforward. You have the site navigation pane where you go to your home, your orders and what's or not. Your cart is on the upper right hand corner of the application, and you can just see what's in there, and you can see it's fluid. You have your recommendations on the main page. Same thing applies to the Take-A-Lot app, and you would have, obviously, the navigation pane is actually under and not on top as in the Amazon app, but again, it's quite intuitive, and you have your recommendations and promotions on there. But then for the Dion Wire application, I really don't know if this was a half-baked application that they just released because it was Black Friday. And again, I could be mistaken. Maybe they do have another application that is much better, but this is the application that I know that Dion Wire uses. And as you can see, as you start, you actually, at least for me, I felt lost just from the front page, because you have go to till down there, you have your reward and you have my deals. Okay, now what's already going on? As you can see, there is no left pane there, and that's such the structure that most of the online app or retailers use for their application. I don't know if they just wanted to be different or what was going on. And you have this button here down where normally it would be the home button on the older iPhone devices, and when you click there is where you go to sign in, register, reset terms, and you have that other information. Now, this application, I don't know, I feel like it's really not to the standard that a Dion Wired as a store would put it out there. I don't know what the developer was thinking when he created this application at all, but I'm really not impressed with the application, to the point that I haven't even registered, I haven't even signed in, and I think I'm just gonna continue buying my stuff on the physical store. Now, I wanted to give you guys feedback on what you think of this actual application. Maybe it's just me, but I really doubt that it's just me. So let me know in the comments what you think of the application. Obviously, you're gonna have to go and download and try it out for you to actually be able to comment on what you think of the actual application. So make sure you let me know in the comments. And yeah, this was it for this video. I just wanted to know your guys' feedback on this. I will catch you guys on the next video, but before you go, make sure you rate, comment, and if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.